Hi, greetings dear friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you today? Today's meditation, slight variation. We're going to focus on our eyes. So if you've been working for an intense period of time on your PC, your eyes get tired. And today's practice is just a very short eye exercise to help refresh your eyes. And you'll find that once your eyes feel refreshed, your mind is also refreshed and clear. So it's double win. Okay, so as usual, put all your bits and pieces down and find a comfortable position. Kind of, lengthen up to the front of the body, lengthen down the back of the body. Shoulders broad, nice broad open chest. Soften your gaze. We're going to keep the eyes open for this practice. Soften your gaze. Take that full breath in and out. Okay. Now I want you to imagine there's a big clock, big kind of like traditional clock in front of you. You've got 12 o'clock at the top. Down below you've got 6, 9 and 3 o'clock. And all we're going to do, we're going to keep our head steady. You've got to keep your head steady. And we're going to just direct your eyes to whatever point I call out on the clock. Do it mindfully. Do it with awareness. We're not just darting our eyes. We're very conscious that we're moving our eyes. We're glancing from side to side from different times on the clock. Okay? So let's go. So eyes in the centre. Look up at 12. 6 o'clock. You got it? Oops, hang on, sort out the light. So let's start again. 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, no, oops, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Well done. Ooh. And then just take a moment just to notice how your eyes may feel. They may feel a bit strained, a bit tired. It's okay, just take your time. We're going to do it one more time. And this time we're going to walk our eyes around the clock. So we're going to start at 12. We're going to just walk our eyes around the clock and then go anti-clockwise. Okay, so ready? So start in the centre, lower the shoulders. So eyes up at 12 o'clock, oops, the wind's coming up here, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 12. Ooh. Now if your eyes feel a bit strained, a bit tired, that's because your eyes are actually a muscle and we don't normally use them, just strain them. So and so you've got to do is rub your palms together. I can't take a hold on the phone, so rub your palms together. Now when you feel that really nice warm friction, just place your palms, oops, oh my God, I'm just not prepared for this. Place your palms underneath your glasses so you're cupping your eyes. Both hands on both eyes, yeah? And then just slowly allow your hands to slip away from your face. And then just notice how you feel. Yeah? Hopefully you may feel a bit clearer headed. Your eyes might even feel a bit tired, a bit strained, but that's okay. It's because we're not used to using those muscles, but that's okay. See how they feel. Okay, sorted. Well done. Pat on the back. Self-love. Hug. Well done. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share with your friends or even comment. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Cheers. God bless. Bye now. Pause. Thank you.